Welcome back to Excel with NS. Please like, share, and follow Techie Train on all social media platforms. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right into it. In the previous video, on this series we are still on Excel text function, and we are on our final data set. So we'll be answering the remaining questions out of the 16 questions for this data set. We've answered 9, so we'll proceed with 10, 11, and 12 in this video. Let's get right into it. Now, question number 1 or question number 10 states, pardon me, replace urgent with priority in notes. In notes, we are to replace this urgent with priority. So we'll come and use our function, this thing. Okay, is it E5 or supposed to be E2? So we are going to use a substitute function Q10, the 10th question for this data set, and the answer is equals to substitute E2. Then remember, look here, let me show you that. Here it will show you the format to run the function. If you use substitute, to show you, first you put the text, which is the E2, then the old text that you want to change, which is urgent, and the new text you want to change it to. You want to change it to urgent. Remember, it must match. If one letter is out of place, urgent, and new text we want to change it to priority, so change it to priority. If one letter is even out of place, it will give it back to us, the complete sentence, because this urgent was out of place. But once we reduce this to small letter, it will give us priority task. Let me explain something. Equals to, let's say we want to write value. You want to use the value function. Here it showed us we only need to put the text to convert it to this thing. This is the format to run the function. If you use mid, to show you, to get the middle function, the middle text, we need to call the text, then the starting number where you want it to start, the function to start from, and the amount of characters you want to receive. That is how the mid function works. If we use left, it shows text, the number of characters we want. So if we put something like let's say D2, and we put 3, that is, D2 is the text. From this text, the number of characters we need is 3 characters, and it will give us the EMP. So just keep that in mind, that is the format for making function run. So over here we finished. We substitute this for we substituted urgent for priority. So here we have finished the first question. The second question is extract, clean, and put in proper case the first name of staff in B3. So we are to extract, clean, and put in proper case this first name, this John. To extract the first name, we'll come over here and use this to extract the first name. So let's go here Q11. Then we use our equals to substitute. Why we are substituting is because we want to get only the first name, but without the strings attached to it. Substitute. substitute in B2. The old text is 1 2. Now we've removed the string. Now we only want the first word, the first name. So we'll use this left and proper. Let me just copy this because we are low on time. We have one other question to cover in this video. So let me just copy this. Here we have the substitute. We have our John Doe. Then now let me expand here. Okay, as you can see here, we have proper left substitute. What this is saying is that first we substitute B2. Let me reduce this. So it will be understandable. So here it says substitute this string. All the strings here, we have to substitute them out first of all. Then find the space and return the amount of characters after the substitution. -1. -1, that is, remove this space here and this slash here. So when you find the first space, which is before this slash, -1, which is to remove that slash, and give it to us. While the substitute have removed all this string. Then proper is to put this in proper case, which is first letter, first letter capital, the other small letter, and left, the left function is just to count from here. Once substituted, these two strings are gone. So the left function counts from here to the first space, which is here, to find this first space. Since these have been substituted, then -1, that is this space here, has been removed, and it will count only that. That is where we get our Mary. And now for the last question of this data set, extract the last word of raw name in B5. So this, what we do is equals to, let's see, question 11. Okay, since we don't, this is not what we need, let's just drag this here. Question 12. So question 12, extract the last word. So we use the right function equals to right. And the text we need is B5, which is from Chinedu Okoro. We have to get only the Okoro. Then we'll use the length. Len B5 is to count, then subtract it from the space. So len to count the amount of characters, B5, from the space, from find space in that B5. Then here we have Okoro. What it did was, from this B5, in this B5 here, count from the first space. That is, it will find the first space, then count from there and return it to us, the amount of characters that are there. Then to put this in proper, to make this look more visually stunning, we use the proper function. So here we have the first name. And with that, we've answered all 3 questions for this data set, for this video. In the next video, we'll answer the final 3 questions for this data set, and we can call it a wrap on Excel text function. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.